There you go, for 700 bucks. That's what you get here in San Diego. Hey everyone, it's Nenad and welcome back to my channel where I post videos about both real estate and finance. In today's video, I thought it would be fun if we went over different rentals available in the market that I work in, which is here in San Diego. And we're gonna start from $700 a month all the way up to $2,000 per month. And for those of you that don't know, I've been a real estate agent here in San Diego for the last few years. And I know there's a lot of people who rent out there, so I thought it would be a good idea to show you what's available right here in San Diego. Before we look at some places, I quickly wanted to show you this infographic from Zumper, which shows the average rent here in San Diego. And you'll see that the average studio apartment is renting for $1,588 per month. When I switch this over to one-bedroom apartments, you'll now see that the average rent is $1,795 per month. And finally, switching this over to two-bedroom apartments, and you'll see that the average rent is $2,395 per month. Now that you saw those figures and we have that out of the way, let's get right into today's video. All right, guys, so let's get right into the video. And I'm just here on Facebook Marketplace. And the reason for that is because under $1,500, you're pretty much not gonna be able to find a whole place to yourself. So let's start off with our minimum price range, which is $700. And let's see what we can get. All right, so it doesn't look like anything even popped up in downtown San Diego. So let's zoom out a little bit and see what else we have. So here in Mission Valley, we have two. So let's check out these ones. And I'm doing this live with you guys, so I haven't really seen these before. So if I'm making some mistakes or whatever, please forgive me. Not really too many pictures on these, so let's go a little bit east and see what's in City Heights. So we have this one, 700 bucks a month. I mean, the photography kind of sucks, and it looks like you get a box spring with it and some blue curtains. So if you're into that kind of thing, this could be a good place for you. The description's in Spanish too, and I don't read or speak Spanish, so I have no idea what that's saying. So there you go, for 700 bucks. That's what you get here in San Diego. Let's zoom out and see if we can go north a little bit. Okay, this one looks a little more promising. So it looks like you have a shared bathroom. So it looks like obviously this is the bathroom. I mean, it's decent. It's a bathroom. The bedroom looks like it's a good size actually. You know, I wouldn't mind this for $700. It doesn't seem like a terrible deal, but if you're not into sharing a bathroom, this might not be the one for you. So yeah, not a bad option. Let's see if we can find one more. Let's go North County, San Diego a little bit and see if we can find anything. Oh, there's one here in Vista, and there's no photos. So yeah, guys, honestly, there's not a lot here to rent in San Diego under $700. So just so you guys are aware, you're probably not going to find anything. So let's try to bump up the price a little bit. Let's go from $800 to $1,200. All right, so quite a few popped up, and if you don't know much about downtown San Diego, so we have Little Italy here, which is really nice, the Marina District, which is beautiful, you're right on the water. Bankers Hill is actually very nice too, you're right next to Balboa Park, which is a super famous park here in San Diego. And you also have the Gaslamp District, which is right in here. But if you've never visited here before, honestly, Petco Park is right here, and you have 9th Avenue coming down vertically this way. And if you go east of 9th Avenue, I would probably try to stay away just because, unfortunately, there is a large homeless population in this area. So if you're not into that kind of thing, and parking can be pretty difficult, I would stay away from east of 9th Avenue, which is this way. But you'll also see that most of our availabilities are in that area because it's a little bit cheaper. So let's see what we can get for $1,050 on F Street. So it looks like it's in East Village, a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. You're probably sharing a bathroom here, but you know, it looks nice. It looks decent. It looks also like there's Petco Park right behind here through these windows. So you're right next to the baseball stadium. Bathroom is decent. Like I said, you're probably going to be sharing it. So once again, that one's $1,050 a month. Let's see if we can see anything else. So this is definitely in East Village, and this one's $1,200 a month. So it's getting pretty expensive. There is a few new buildings in this area, so I'm assuming this is 15th Street. This is in one of the new buildings. And it looks like it's a pretty small room. You have a little bit of a view outside of your window, but you do have a fitness center, a swimming pool, all that kind of stuff. But once again, it is $1,200 a month, so it's a little bit expensive, and it looks decent. You're probably, once again, sharing a bathroom. Yeah, it doesn't say you have your own bathroom, so for $1,200, it's okay. I don't know if I would go for it. By the way, if you're getting any kind of value out of this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up icon, and I truly want to thank you for watching. I make videos like this on both real estate and finance every single week. So if you want to stay updated, please take a second and hit that red subscribe button down below. So here we're on the coast, we're in Del Mar, and we have one for $1,050. Let's check this one out. So this one looks really nice. It looks like they take good care of their place. And I love the hardwood in this place. It looks really nice. So you have AC and you have laundry in your unit, and it looks like it's a 2-bedroom house. And once again, you're probably sharing a bathroom. So it's $1,050, and it's definitely a nice bedroom, upkept. You can tell the person living here has done a good job. It looks like they staged their room, honestly. So they know what they're doing, that's for sure. But yeah, it looks like a smaller place, but it is in Del Mar, and personally, I love Del Mar. The beaches here are beautiful, and Bill Gates just bought a house here for like $40 million, I think. So if he can live in Del Mar, so can you. And then let's check out a little bit more North County, San Diego, which is a little bit cheaper. In this area here, San Marcos, it's definitely coming up, and there's a lot of good schools. There's a relatively new college, and a lot of parents with kids, they love to live in San Marcos because the schools there are fantastic. So let's see what we have for $1,000. So this is probably one of the cheaper ones that we've seen. And let's see, and you get your own bathroom. So for $1,000, you get your own bathroom, and it definitely is a nice place to live. So it looks a little bit dark in here, but you know, for $1,000, you can't be too picky. And like I said, you're probably only going to be fine looking at private bedrooms. So let's bump up the price a little bit. Let's go $1,500 to, let's go $1,900, $1,500 to $1,900. So in this price range, you're probably going to start finding your own place. So either a studio or a 1-bedroom. Definitely, if you're paying this much money, you want your own place. So let's see what we can get. You can see that a lot of things, once again, are in East Village, and you're not in the Marina District. That's because it's very expensive here. But there is a few places in Bankers Hill and Little Italy, so let's check these out. So for $1,550, this is a private room, so you'll see that Little Italy is a little bit expensive. Let's go up to $1,695. So you have a studio here, and this is one of the newer buildings that they've just constructed, and you'll see that's got that like industrial vibe, which is super cool. It's only 353 square feet, so it's really small. But it is your own place. You have your own kitchen, you have your own bathroom, obviously, and it looks like this is probably a shared deck. I don't think this is off the bedroom, but yeah, you'll see it's just a place to kind of live in, and it's $1,695 a month. It's a decent place, and like I said, Little Italy is really nice. You got a lot of bars, a lot of good restaurants. You're close to the water. It's definitely a pop-in kind of place here in San Diego. So let's go a little bit higher. Let's go $17.95. This one is a studio as well. So this one's about double the size of the other one. A little bit more expensive, but it's a lot older. So you can tell it probably doesn't have AC. I don't think it has AC. It doesn't say it. So if that's a big concern for you guys, probably want to skip out on this one. It has, yeah, wall unit, so no central AC. And yeah, you'll see that the building here is really old. In downtown San Diego, sometimes you'll see buildings like this. Obviously, all the newer stuff is going to be bigger units, high rises, and things like that. So we're not seeing many more of these, but they are still out there. Let's pop up to Bankers Hill. Let's go 1800 on Bankers Hill. So here's a studio for 1800, 520 square feet. It's kind of got a similar vibe to the one in Little Italy. You got a 40 square foot balcony, so we'll check that out. I'm pretty sure it's this right here. Oh, actually it's this. This is really cool. So you have one of these California sliding doors. That's actually really cool. I haven't seen that in a while. So 520 square feet. Is this a loft or is that an extra space? Let's check it out. So it looks like this is your bedroom here. You have your laundry in your unit. Your bathroom is really nice. I can't really tell where the bedroom is. And it's saying it's a studio. So yeah, it looks like, oh, here's a bedroom here, but I don't know if this is the same place. There's a ton of pictures on here. But yeah, this deck is really cool. You can see down to the water here. And Bankers Hill, similar to Little Italy, lots of restaurants, close to Balboa Park. So you've got that there. That place is really cool. For $1,800 a month, I would consider that place, especially the location that it's in. Once again, let's try to go out a little bit towards the water. So here in Pacific Beach, which is a pretty popular place for a lot of younger people, they love Pacific Beach. There's a lot of bars and restaurants, and if you're looking for some kind of nightlife, Pacific Beach and downtown are probably your two places to go. And North Park as well, which is kind of a newer place to check out. So let's see what we have here for $1,895, a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. It's decent. It's decent. It's 615 square feet, so it's not too small, and it's a separate bedroom, so you got a living room too, which is nice. It's not a studio. You got a pool, and all of your neighbors are probably between the ages of 21 to 25, so just be aware of that. Let's check out maybe one more on the higher range. Let's go to 1800. So this is on Diamond Street, and you can see that this place is, in terms of the amenities that it has, is nice. Inside, it's very similar to the other one, and they're both right around $1,800. So in terms of the building, I kind of like this one a little bit more, but I do also like this one. It's a little bit closer to the water. So there's those there. We'll pop out to Solana Beach and Del Mar one more time. Let's see if there's anything here. So $1,825. This is a studio, so you can see that it's pretty pricey here in Del Mar. Del Mar is actually one of the most expensive cities here in San Diego. So 450 square feet, $1,825. It's a studio, so no living room. It's nice. It's a small little box, but you're right next to the water, and you're not going to have a bunch of 21 to 25-year-olds as your neighbors, so just keep that in mind. Cool, so let's check out our final price, which is $2,000 per month, which is not cheap. If you're paying this much money, you definitely want a nice place. So we have one here in the Marina District, which is 1,100 square feet, $2,000 a month. Let's check it out. So obviously you're gonna have everything from AC to heating to laundry, Oh, this is actually a shared 1 bedroom. So yeah, 2,000 bucks, you get a shared bedroom in the Marina District, which for $2,000, I don't know if I'm down to share a room with 2 cats. So, but it is a nice building, that's for sure. And this person said you need to be a cat lover. So if you're not a cat lover, this is not the place for you. Zoom out a little bit. Here in South Park, which is definitely an up and coming place. It's right south of North Park. It's kind of self-explanatory, but it's getting very expensive here. So 2,000 bucks a month, and you're getting 1 unit, which is tiny. I can't tell if this is standalone cottage. So 2,000 bucks, something like this. I don't know. It's old, and I would not personally want to live there. University Heights, we'll check this place out, it's decent. University Heights. You got a lot of bars and cool restaurants, great pizza place here in University Heights. So yeah, for 2,000 bucks, you can see, guys, your options are not going to be something amazing and beautiful, especially here in the downtown area. Maybe once we go up to North County, you'll see that for $2,000 you can get something really nice. So let's do that right now. Let's pop up a little bit and we'll check out this place in Vista. So this is a 2-bedroom. So now you're getting a whole extra bedroom in North County for that $2,000. So you can see how big of a price difference it really is. And it's not like a super new or extremely beautiful apartment, but you get 2 bedrooms. So if that's, a need for you guys and this is your price range, I would definitely recommend looking up here in North County. Let's see this place. Again, another 2-bedroom. This one is in Oceanside and you're pretty much right next to the water. 850 square feet. It's an older building, but it looks like they did some renovations. Like they have either probably laminate. But it is a 2-bedroom, 850 square feet, so it's a nice size, and looks like they kind of redid the bathrooms too. So it's a cool place. So yeah, for 2,000 bucks, there you go. That's pretty much what you're gonna get here in San Diego. It's very expensive, guys. Don't have sticker shock whenever you go out and start looking for places and realize that your $2,000 is not going to get you as far as in some other places here in the country. So there you go. We took a look at a few rentals here in San Diego between $700 all the way up to $2,000 a month. And I'm sure you've noticed that housing here is pretty expensive and the living costs are definitely on the higher end. But if you guys have any questions about the real estate market here in San Diego, feel free to drop a comment down below and I'll make sure to make it a top priority to respond to everyone who drops a comment. So thank you for watching, and I'm sure I'll see you in the next video.